My name is Gustavo Luna. I'm the Business Development Manager for Danfoss in the Indirect channel. In today's video, we will review the unboxing of the Optyma Unit Cooler. First, I want you to join me to unpack this brand new Optyma Unit Cooler that I just got. As you can see, it comes in a very nice packaging with a wooden crate that you can use to stock, to stack different levels, either for storage or either for transportation. That's very useful. As well, you can see that it comes with a plastic wrap that will protect the unit about the intemperie. I would recommend that before you unbox the unit, you take a look on the label, make sure all data is correct in there, make sure there is no visual damage around the box on the transportation, and also, as in any heavy equipment, make sure to keep the wooden crate until the final installation site. That will help you to keep the integrity of your unit. So here we are. We have finished of unpack our brand new Optyma Unit Cooler. In the inside, you can see that it will come with your instruction manual. Make sure you take a look on the instruction manual for the best practices and installation of your cooler. Also, make sure you take a look on the label of the cooler. Make sure the voltage is correct. Make sure the capacity is the one that you are requesting, the one that you need, just to make sure you are not installing a unit that is not going to fit on your job. I have turned the unit 90 degrees so we can take a look on the port in the back. Right here, you can see a label that indicates that the unit comes pressurized as a proof of a leak-free unit cooler. And now, with this step, your unit cooler is already unboxed. Thanks for watching our video. For more information about the Optyma Unit Cooler, please visit the link in the description below.